How to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. So if you want to make coding easier and get AI assistance directly inside your editor, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open VS Code on your computer. On the left sidebar, click the extensions icon. That's the little square with two arrows. In the search bar at the top, type Codex and look for ChatGPT by OpenAI. You'll see a blue verification badge. Click it, then hit Install. Once it's installed, a Trust the Publisher prompt will pop up. Click it, then hit Install again. After it's done, you'll notice a new Codex icon in your sidebar. Click it to get started. Now it's time to sign in. Click Sign In with ChatGPT, and a browser window will open. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, you'll need to create a free one first. Then click Open, Continue, and select your account to link it. Once it says Signed into Codex, you can close the browser. Back in VS Code, just click Next through the setup prompts. You can read the info if you want, but it's really straightforward. Now Codex is ready to go. You can pick a model like GPT-5, but keep in mind that some models might require a ChatGPT Plus subscription if something doesn't work. And that's it. You're all set to start using Codex in VS Code. Just type your coding questions or tasks into the Codex panel, and it'll help you write code faster and smarter.